Come on, guys. You don't need an introduction for this. Please.
So let's start from the start.
In the year 541 AD, a ship arrived on the shores of Constantinople, Egyptian seashore.
The ship, along with its crew, carried grain and other goods.
Which was supposed to be paid as a tribute to the King Justinian, Lord of Byzantine Empire.
However, little did the crew on boards knew that a pack of plague-carrying rats had also hitched a ride with them from Egypt. As the plague-infected sailors started interacting with the local population, the virus began to spread. The plague, which would later be known as the Plague of Justinian, ravaged the city, recording over 10,000 deaths a single day.
The plague later on went to kill half the world's population at that time. So what should we learn from this? We can conclude that COVID-19 is also showing same physical effects as the plague of Justinian. But the plague of Justinian stopped because there was no one left to die. But COVID should not be the culprit of the death of half the world's population today. Or else people will think Thanos died. So he sent his very small brother to do his job.
But wait, at least New York Times considers POK as Pakistan's region. Please don't do this type of things outside of your house. I know how much tensed you are about your career.
Especially in Korea.
So sit at your home quietly. Do some study of maths and biology also. To IPM exam having a subject of biology. Listen to motivation. More motivation. More motivation. Oh sorry. Let's see how a vaccine is made.
Vaccine actually is made.
But jokes apart, guys, you should always live at your home and urge your parents to do vaccination. But ending my video on a serious note, situation can get worse. So to prevent it, we should keep on sanitizing and wearing our masks. That's all I need to say.
On that note, I, Master Sohamkar, is signing off. Thank you for literally tolerating my video.